Good morning everyone. I am Kanishka. I am studying 5th standard. I would like to welcome our chief guest, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire life for independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. So it is responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together of the development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.